Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect custom domain to Netlify. Let's get started. First, log into your Netlify dashboard. Once you're in dashboard, click Sites. I imported a project here. Just scroll down and you will find the project you add in here. Click on it. Then, next, go to Domain Management. Click Add Domain and copy the domain you want to connect. For example, I will connect my Hostinger domain. Go to Domains, then click Domain Portfolio. Choose the one you want to connect. Then, before going back to Netlify, go to DNS or Name Servers. Click Reset DNS Records, and while resetting the DNS records, go to Netlify. Type in www. And paste your domain. Then, click Verify. And if you own the domain, it will be easily registered. Next, click Add Domain. Then, beside your domain, click Awaiting External DNS. You need to create an alias, a name, and flattened CNAME record for your domain. Go back to your domain registration company. In your DNS or name server section, scroll down and go to Manage DNS Records. After that, click on Type and choose CNAME. Then, back to Netlify, copy the domain, paste it at the CNAME section. For the target, go back to Netlify, then copy this apex. Then, paste it and click Add Record. Just do the same procedure with the alias and a name. But if you can't add these records for whatever reason, you need to create an A record points to this IP address. Then, click Add Record and click Confirm. Next, we need to make this domain as the primary domain. Back to Netlify, click Options, then click Set as Primary Domain. If that doesn't work, scroll down and go to SSL or TLS Certificate and click Verify DNS Configuration. Provisioning certificate takes up to 24 hours, so you just have to wait your domain till it is connected to Netlify. And that's it. You have now connected your custom domain to Netlify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.